Jai Hind everyone. In our previous video, we have solved till question number 3 of exercise 12.1. In this video, we will solve question number 4 and question number 5. So let's begin. As you can see, question number 4 is divided into two parts, part A and part B. Here, question number 4A is written. Question is asking us to identify the terms which contains x, factor x, and then we have to find coefficient of x in that term. It is not asking about numerical coefficient, it is asking about just coefficient. Okay, so as you can see, I have made a table. Now the first, second and third terms I have taken is x plus y plus 2, 1 plus x plus xy, and third is here. So first is x plus y plus 2. This is an algebraic expression. Now the term containing x, it has three terms, first, second and third. So the term in which x is there, we will mention here in this column. So only the first term has x. So we will write term containing x is x only. Now in this term, we have to find out the coefficient of x. Since there is no coefficient, as you can see, then the coefficient will be 1. Okay? Because we can write it as x into 1, as I have told earlier in our videos. Now the second is 1 plus x plus xy. In this algebraic expression, there are two terms containing x. First is the x only, second is the xy. Okay, in the first term, the coefficient of x is again 1, and in second term, x is accompanied with y. So coefficient of x here is y. Okay, it is not talking about numerical coefficient as I told earlier. So we can take the algebraic factors as well. Now the third one, two terms, both contain x. So we will write both of them, 7x and xy square. Here the coefficient of x is 7, and here the coefficient of x is correct, y square. So this is the solution of 4A, these questions. In the same way, you can solve the remaining questions also. Now let's come to the B part of question number A. B part of question number A is same. It is just change the x with y square. So we have to identify terms which contains y square, and then we have to find out the coefficient of y square. Okay, so the table will be same, just with a bit modification. We can solve the B part here. How to find out the coefficient? I have discussed in the previous videos. If you have not seen, you can go and watch. Now the terms are, algebraic factors are, first is x minus 8 minus xy square, second is 2x square y minus 15xy square plus 7y square. So in the first one, the term containing y square is the second one, minus x y square. And now the coefficient of y square, since y square is positive, so we will take the coefficient of y square as minus x. Now let's come to the second one. Here the first term is written 2x square y, but question is talking about y square. So that is why I won't take the first term. Second term and third term contains y square, so I will take them minus 15xy square and then 7y square. Again I am telling you, this is 2x square y. Okay, so this is y only. This is not y square. That is why we will not take that. Now the coefficient of y square here is whatever is left after taking out y square will be its coefficient. So it is what? Minus 15x. In the same way, second is what? 7. This is the solution of the fourth question. You can note it down. Now let's move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is written in this part. It is asking us to classify these given algebraic expressions into monomial, binomial and trinomial. So let's begin. First one, I have made columns here accordingly, and we will drop them which column they belong to. So first is 4x minus 7z. This is what? This has two terms, 4y and minus 7z. So that is why it is a binomial. Okay. Now second one, AB minus A minus B. It has two negative signs. That is why it is what? A trinomial. So AB minus A minus B is a trinomial. Second one again, 4p square q minus 4p q square is a binomial because it contains two terms. Now the last one, z square minus 3z plus 8. It has three terms. So that is why it is also a trinomial. A trinomial. So it will be written here, z square minus 3z plus 8. So this is the solution of the fifth question. Monomials are not in this question. Others are monomial. I guess written, there is a y written. So you can drop that here in monomials. But the questions I have taken, no monomial is there. So this was the solution of fourth and fifth question. For the solution of sixth and seventh question, watch our next video. Thank you.